Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Target. This links payment methods to your profile. Once signed in, navigate to Account then Payment Methods to add a gift card. You need the 15-16-digit card number and the 4-6-digit PIN. Keep them visible. Enter your billing address exactly as on file to avoid verification issues. Once done, click Save or Add Card so Target recognizes the gift card for online checkout and for immediate use on purchases. You add items and go to checkout, then choose shipping and review your order. When you reach payment, pick the option to pay with a gift card. Enter the card number and PIN exactly as shown. Once entered, press Apply so the system reduces your order total by the card balance. If balance is insufficient, select a secondary payment like debit, credit, or debit card to cover the remainder. Make sure to review totals and taxes before confirming the order. You finish by confirming the order and noting the confirmation number for tracking. If the gift card is declined, immediately recheck every digit, the PIN, and the available balance online. Make sure the billing address on the card matches your Target account. Once done, try applying the card again. If problems persist, contact Target Guest Services with the card number and purchase details so they can verify activation or balance. Keep receipts and screenshots handy to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.